Hey Linkers, so I'm going to show you how to beat these spider boys. Might as well just call them Spider Brothers. And they're the mini boss of the 5th dungeon. And they're going to go back and forth. You're going to shake their body back and forth and they're going to shoot that light at you. But you're going to want to hook shot them right in the eye. And then give them some couple whacks. And then you might want to just hook shot the one in the back like I did there. And then kind of just slow them down and stuff like that. But that's what I did. I just stayed and hook shotted them and try and hook shot them early, then they don't shoot that green light at you. And keep in mind, they have 2 movements. See how he's going down, and then he's going to rush you. If his body's pointing down, he's going to rush it. He's pointing up like that, he's going to shoot the light, and that's when you hit him with that hook shot in the eye and whack him a few times. You take a few hits, so don't get discouraged if you feel like you've been hitting them a lot, but they're not dying. They take a few, so take your time. Really get them when you can, and yeah, as you see there, I tried to stop the charge. There's no way to stop the charge. You just get out of the way. Be persistent. You can do it. I believe in you. If this video helped you, please like it. And this is important. Don't subscribe to me.